welcome back to the YouTube channel.
Today we are in our resort, and what will we be doing, Dad?
Today we're going to be taking advantage of our amenities here in the resort because the kids are going to be chilling in the pool, having fun on the pool, and hopefully later on we're going to go to the bowling alley, play some bowling, possibly the kids. Yeah, so finger crossed with all that because it's good to also relax. Theme parks are good, but we also have to take time to relax and enjoy this beautiful resort. Also, if you're brand new here in this channel, we want to welcome. Hi, this is Kool Adventures, and our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Central Florida. Different theme parks and attractions here in Central Florida. Well, anyways, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it.
I could show you how to defeat the
All right, so we have arrived here at the pool, the one that had the lazy river in Cabana Bay. And let me show you. From where we're sitting, right there, you could actually see part of the volcano from Volcano Bay, which is kind of cool too. And Khalil is getting ready to get his tube. He needs more air in his tube, so that's what he's getting ready to do. If you guys remember the other day when we got here, we showed you where you could get them. One of the team members was nice enough, he gifted us his tube, but obviously loses air, so Khalil discovered yesterday.
What Mom discovered.
Oh, there you go. Mom discovered yesterday that you could actually get more air on your own, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yesterday we gave it to a team member and they filled it up. But there is on the side, there is one that says like inflatable section.
And now, before we go to the pool, you were mentioning how deep this pool is.
The one with the lazy river looks like it goes to 4 feet 6 inches. The lazy river stays at 3 feet.
No,
the one with the slide, it goes up to 3.9, but that's the highest it goes. So it stays in that 3 range, 3 feet range.
Well, that's not bad at all.
No, that's comfortable for parents. For parents, I think, to make sure that nothing happens to
the kids. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, just saying that you could fill it up your own with this little thing. But if you want to and you don't want to do that, there's somebody there that you could do it with. So we got ours filled. Kyla, you happy that we got ours filled?
Yes, let's go.
Here's where you enter the lazy river. We're about to go in. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold, right, Kyla? It's super cold here. And it's also the morning, so it's even more cold.
Oh my God. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Are you having fun? Yes. You are? Yeah. You chilling? Yes. You should be swimming like me. No, I'm swimming, doing the work, but she's chilling. Do you guys think that's fair? I don't think that's fair. She's chilling on floating. Having me grab her not to hit anybody because she can't control it. I can't control it.
Okay, so we decided to go to the other pool. Now we're gonna ride the slide. Let's see how it is.
Okay, guys, here we go. Let's go.
All right, so we're currently here at the, well, it's not that, but the Atomic Grill to have some lunch, filming from the DJI Pro. So let me know. Yeah, let me know exactly. Let me know how the quality is because I haven't used it in a while. Hopefully, the footage in the pool and all that, the kids didn't make you sick enough or dizzy enough. If so, sorry.
I went down the water slide with you guys.
Oh, there you go. So you took them into a water slide adventure.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So now we're about to buy, I want to say, what is it you guys order? Pizza?
Pizza,
Half pepperoni, half cheese if we can. And a side of fries. And I'm gonna order a chicken gyro. That's what I'm going with. I just want to share with everybody what we bought. Like, this is my gyro, my chicken gyro with French fries. And the kids are gonna be sharing with Karen cheese and pepperoni pizza with cheese fries. It looks decent. Alrighty guys, so at this point we have been all showered. We are heading towards the Galaxy Bowl, which is the bowling. But anyway, before we do that, if you're finding any content, make sure you hit that like button. And also, if you're brand new around here, please make sure you subscribe for more content like this, where we take you to different adventures here in Central Florida. In May 4th, our channel turned 2 years old, and our next goal is to make it to 1,000 subscribers. So please help us get there. But anyways, right now we're just waiting over here for the bowling alley, as we already made reservations for tonight at 8:30, and we possibly gonna be eating dinner here tonight. So we actually came here earlier. Our reservation is at 8:30. Let me show you some of their merchandise as well. Look at that. Some of the things that you could buy. And if you don't have any socks, you could buy new socks for $6.50. Just because we want to eat over here, they found us a table. And technically speaking, we're supposed to be wearing our mask the entire time that we're here. So they give you the menu, then you select what you want in the menu, and then you gotta take it by the bar back there, right back there. You take it by the bar, and they will place the actual order for you.
Yes. So you take it to the bartender. The bartender is the one that puts the order in.
Right. And for what we can see, I mean, the menu is okay. It's
Yeah,
not
it's
bad.
traditional. Like
So-
wings, mozzarella sticks, loaded fries, salads, and they have like 4 burgers, steak sandwich, grilled chicken, a wrap. So it's like traditional, like.
I actually feel that it's probably more than what you probably will get in a bowling alley.
Yeah,
So-
well, I went traditional for like a quick service kind of place.
Right.
Like, and then it had, on the back it has a list of drinks that you can have, beers and wines and drinks.
Oh, and also I want to show you guys that here in the resorts, they're having Mardi Gras special menu. So I don't know if you guys can see it over
That's
there.
a drink.
But you do have a drink.
And then in the food section it has a food item as well.
So for the drink, they're having a hurricane. Is that what it is?
Yes.
And then for the food section, you go order. I think jerk chicken empanada, for what I can remember seeing.
Yeah, three Cajun chicken empanada with black bean salsa.
So it's kind of cool to see that even on the resorts you could get Mardi Gras food.
Items, yeah.
So our food has arrived. So here I have it. It's a barbecue bacon cheeseburger with fries. Khalil got something similar. We also decided to get as an appetizer the mozzarella cheese stick. Kyla got a burger as well. Karen got a burger as well, but with coleslaw. And how much was everything? It's
The
like
total for everything was $70,
almost $80.
Yeah, almost $80. Yeah.
yeah, so keep that in consideration if you're gonna order for 4 plus an appetizer and 4 drinks. The drinks alone are $3.50.
$3.50.
So it's pretty expensive.
Alright, so this time is up. We got lane number 5, and there goes Kyla. Oh, 3 and 3.
Let go?
Yeah, you got it again. Doesn't look like it by the way she's holding it. Nope. Better. That was amazing. Good job.
I know.
Good job. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. That was up for his second round. Let's see. He does. He's got better form than Kyla for sure. Oh. Ooh, I think he did better that time. Ooh, 5. He got 5 that time. Definitely better for than Kyle. Oh, but that's still gonna hit the gutter. And they do have rules here, guys. You must wear your mask at all times, that when you're actually consuming beverages. No food allowed in the lanes. Keep balls in the lane when done, and stay in the lane that you were assigned. So simple rules, you gotta follow them. So that is how the game ended. They got to play what, 3 games? 3 games in the 45 minutes, and there were only 2 of them. How was that, guys? Was it fun?
It was fun.
Will you do it again?
Yeah.
Hello, will you do that again? Definitely.
I want to show you guys really quick as we're walking to our room. The fire pit is on, so some people are enjoying that. And right there in the background, you could actually see people in the pool, and also you see the background of Volcano Bay. All right, guys, the moment has arrived, and it's like any vacation, the worst part is actually going home. As you can tell, the mood in the room is kind of low right now. Ironically, Karen is sadder to leave than the kids, I know. But it has been a fun experience, but regardless, we had a blast here as a family. It's been another amazing adventure. Yesterday we showed you all the benefits that you could take advantage of when staying here in the hotel. The kids took you to the swimming pools. We took you to the bowling alley. Right, we did eat downstairs for breakfast. We didn't record that. We just want to like spend time, without vlogging for a little bit. But the food was really good.
The breakfast was good downstairs, so it's definitely worth it.
The food over here is hotel price, so
yeah.
it's kind of pricey. So keep that in mind. We did get Starbucks too, so obviously we did not vlog that. But yesterday was just all about staying in the hotel. Now overall, the rooms are comfortable.
The rooms are comfortable, yeah.
A
Beds
lot.
are a little hard, but the rooms comfortable.
The beds are not that comfortable. I felt like every time I lay down, I was sinking.
And then the
into
pillows.
the bed.
The pillows look very comfortable, but then you like sink in them too.
Yeah.
Oh.
So if you're like me who
You like the bed? See, the kids like the bed.
yeah, but if you're like me who likes a firmer bed, then it's not as good. But the hotel overall, staying over here was super comfortable. The fact that Carlo had his area, this is where he stayed. Kyla, Kevin, and I slept on the other side was super awesome. Being so close to Universal and Island of Adventure was amazing.
It was amazing because it's easier for you to say, let's just go back to the room, and then later tonight we'll go back. So that made it more fun.
Although because of spring break, going through security was a hassle. I mean, it was a long line, but other than that,
there's a lot of queues just to get the security during spring break.
Well, anyways, we hope you enjoyed this adventure. Sadly, trust me, super sad. This adventure has ended. But with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe and smash that like button. Turn that bell for notifications. Bing, bing, bing.
And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you in the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.